And we're back. I'm here with drummer and band leader, Buddy Mole Dynamite.
He's dynamite. So dynamite. He's dynamite.
Hey there, Buddy Mole Dynamite. I see you've grown a mustache since we last saw you perform.
Yeah, you know.
I really like that name you guys have, Parliament Moledelic. But tell me, where do you guys get that?
Well, I was just counting the number of hairs in my mustache one day, and to my surprise, I had a mole of them.
A mole?
Why, a mole is 6.022137 times 10 to the 23rd. I named each individual hair.
Wow, that number is out of sight. Tell me, where do you get it?
Why, that's Avogadro's number.
Who?
Count Amadeo Avogadro. He was a scientist who first suggested that molecules exist.
What do molecules have to do with any of this?
Well, this number is used by chemists because of its similarity to already understood measurementical calculations for mass of elements, and it is used as a more relative measurement for atoms, like a dozen is to a set of eggs.
Fascinating. So, where does it get that name? Mole.
It comes from the furry...
Not that kind.
Oh, right. It was coined by a German fella named Ostwald in 1894. He called this measurement a Molekül, the German word for molecule. It was translated to English in 1897 by a man by the name of Gary.
Wow, I can hardly believe this, Dynamite.
Well, actually, they abbreviated.
Thank the heavens. You heard it right here, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to write.
Well, it's all thanks to that cat Einstein, because before him...
Wow, that's the same cat who wrote...
Actually, the M in that equation stands for mole.
I'm not sure about that.
I know facts!
Dynamite! Moving on. It's giving me a clue. A real...
Well, Dick, you have to...
That's not my name.
You have to understand that chemical reactions...
Wow, I am intrigued by all of this.
In the typical periodic, there's an atomic mass for every element. This mass, expressed in G's...
Hey, yo, holla at me, buddy. I got an ounce.
...is 1 mole of atoms for any particular element. This molar mass, as it is called, is highly necessariatical in measurementific calculations.
Well said, buddy. It seems like this mole is very important in the chemistry world.
It is quite important, in fact. In fact, it was given a holiday on October 23rd.
A holiday? Now, that's my kind of day.
Yes, indeed. It was also given a little holiday on June 2nd.
Even better. Well, we're running out of time, buddy. And myself, and I'm sure the audience are wondering just how grand this number is. So, could you give us an example?
I'll give you 2. A mole in seconds is 954,150 times the age of the universe. That means our universe hasn't even existed for a mole in seconds. Another one. A mole of pennies could pay the USA's debt 86 million times.
Now that's the debt in the future. Like that'll ever happen. Last thing, buddy. I'm sure everybody's wondering about the practical use of this mole concept. So, would you be able to do a few calculations for us?
Why, I would if I had a chalkboard.
You haven't heard about the magic of mole trading.
Good thing I have my chalk.
The ladies backstage said that they gave me 316 Gs of that good tetrahydrocannabinol. If you multiply that times 1 mole over the molar mass of tetrahydrocannabinol, which is 314.5 Gs, you get the number of moles that many grams is equal to, which is approximately 1.004, which is also equal to just right.